sharing our adventures in budget travel. The BOACAY Travel Toiletry Kit is so lightweight, it holds a lot. The measurements are perfection. It is taller instead of wider, so it holds the items that I use most often. It optimizes every inch of this bag. This small travel toiletry bag has a very unique design. It has 13 storage spaces. This allows me to fit small items, and then there's a metal hook at the top that lets me hang it anywhere. It's made of a coated canvas, so it wipes off very easily. Let's take a tour of this amazing bag. Let's just talk about the pockets. Look at the mesh pockets. You notice there were pockets on the side also. I slid a very thin spray of poopery in those side pockets. You guys have seen this one before. This is my compressed sponge. It's very handy for budget travel and when you want to keep the weight down. It's very thin, like a wafer, and then when you wet it, it expands to about 1/4 of an inch. It's great for the shower. It's also great as a facial sponge. You can also put it on the sink, on the side of the sink to hold the bar of soap. You know how wet soap gets. It gets that gummy film. So if you use this sponge and you just set the soap on that, it alleviates that issue. And then it holds all these little small containers. I love these zippered mesh pockets because I can see what's in there. A lot of toiletry kits just have 1 or 2 main compartments. I really like the organization in this one because it has so many different pockets. In the main pocket, it has probably 10 or 11 loops for you to put things in and mesh side panels with elastic. So it will hold things like dry shampoo, contact lens solution, mousse, all kinds of bottles. Let me give you a tour, an up close tour of these pockets with nothing in them. You can see that the mesh pockets on the top have zippers. And then take a look at these side panels. All of these have a little bit of elastic, not a lot, but a little bit of elastic. And then there's the front pocket, and then there's rear pockets also. So you can slide things onto the left and right, and in the back, you have 2 levels on the back. Then on both sides, you have these very flat pockets on either side. I'm thinking you can put a lip gloss in there or a pack of tissues. If you need help finding small items for a really good price, go back and watch my Dollar Tree video where I highlight a lot of travel items found for $1.25. If I am packing a carry-on and a personal item, I might put this in my carry-on, but it is small enough that it would go in your personal item. So if you wanted to freshen up in the restroom once you land at your destination, you could hang it up easily in a public restroom. So you wouldn't have to sit it on the counter, which most of the times in the public restrooms, the counters are a little wet. Do you put your makeup kit inside of your toiletry kit, or do you keep that separate and maybe in your personal item? I'm experimenting back and forth. This time I'm going to put it in my toiletry kit so everything is kind of all together. I I have a short flight, so I don't anticipate needing to freshen up in between takeoff and arrival. I love this makeup kit because the zippers go down on both sides, go all the way down, so you can open it up wide and really get in there and see what you have. Can stand up bottles of dry shampoo, bottles of mousse, and contact lens solution. This is my microfiber hair towel. It helps to dry my hair a little quicker than normal. And then I just take a small travel brush with me. Okay, no judgment. I do pack Old Spice deodorant for myself because it is a very neutral scent and I love the size of the container. Why don't they make ladies deodorant in this small size? Downy Wrinkle Releaser Spray. I take this on every trip. I found this smaller bottle so I can take less with me than the bottle it normally comes in. I also recently found a dupe at Dollar Tree that works just as well. Speaking of Dollar Tree, I have found a lot of health and beauty products at Dollar Tree recently, especially for travel. Let's talk a minute about the OG Dr. Bronner. Dr. Bronner Castile soap. You can use that on your hair, your face, your body. You can do it to hand wash clothing, to put in the laundry, to put in the washing machine. Dr. Bronner's is this universal cleaner. It is wonderful. So I always take a small plastic bottle of that because if I need any of those things, like I mentioned before, I have it covered. This headband I use when I am taking my contacts in and out, and when I am washing my face, and when I am applying my makeup. I picked up that small razor at Dollar Tree. I would use it for underarm. I would not recommend using it for legs. And then a foldable toothbrush and toothpaste goes in there, and that finishes out my toiletry kit. I have taken this bag on multiple trips now, and I must say I really like it. I use the suction cup hook that I always carry with me. I picked it up at Dollar Tree, and I put that on the bathroom mirror, and then I can hang the hook of this toiletry kit on that hook. And so everything is within reach. I can just open it up, look in there, grab what I need, put it right back. So I never have to unpack this bag until I get home. And there you have it. Why the BOACAY Toiletry Kit is my go-to for every trip. It's compact, affordable, and perfectly organized. It ticks all the boxes for me to have stress-free travel. If you're ready to simplify your packing routine, you can find the link to this little game changer in the description below. And don't forget to leave your questions and comments. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.